Hey buddy, it's John here at Alfa Romeo Maserati St. Pete, and here I am with a beautiful brand new Maserati Grecale. And this is a vehicle I'm super excited about. In fact, in this video, we're gonna talk about the top reasons I think this is a category winner. Number one, this may sound small, but it's actually a big deal. This has class-leading space. Maserati says that 99% of the people will fit in this vehicle. I have an Audi SQ5 right now, and this has more interior room. I get in this vehicle and I've got plenty of space, particularly in the back seat. So if you've got larger families, you've got a car seat, or even if you just want more room in your SUV without a massive outside footprint, this could be a vehicle that you want to look at. So in the space, in the class that it's in, that mid-size SUV, this is bringing something, interior space, that is very important for a lot of customers out there. Let's check it out. You can see right here, you've got plenty of space inside. So if I were to get in here, it's got a lot of space. Now I can move this to exactly where I'm comfortable, which for me, I'm 5'10", about 200 pounds, would be right about here. You see here, I've got tremendous headroom, so that's awesome. And I'm very comfortable with this. Now, if I were to get into the back seat right now, I mean, look at that. Look at all that space. Now let me get in here and show you what it's like. So again, I set that seat where I wanted it. Huge, huge room. I'm nowhere close to that seat up here. Again, huge room here, headroom. I can have a picnic back here. It is tremendous, tremendous space. So think about this. If you've got a car seat in here, your kids have a lot of space here. You also have a space for another full-size adult here. And if I were to sit in the center, it's actually doable. Look at this center seat here. I can buckle up right here in the middle seat, and you can see the headroom. I have tremendous space in here. I mean, that's a big, big deal, let alone if I'm over here in a normal adult-sized space. So that's a huge deal. That's not a small deal. Here's the trunk space. So you've got plenty of space over here. Privacy cover. This, I would say, is probably relatively normal for the class. You see, you've got a lot of space here as well, and the seats fold down. You also have closing and locking right here. The second major reason I believe this is a category winner for Maserati is the technology. It has absolutely, hands down, the best technology of any Maserati that I've ever seen. And I believe it has one of the best technology suites in the entire class. Now, I can't say that I've seen everything out there, but I've seen a lot of vehicles. Check it out, you'll see what I mean. First of all, side note, watch how well the Grecale insulates the sound from the outside. You see how noisy we have? We have a busy major street over here, Gandy Boulevard. It gets very busy. It's right after rush hour. Watch what happens when I close this. Definitely lowers the noise level within the cabin. But let's talk about this technology. This technology is awesome. You've got digital screens right here, okay? Start it up. You see, this is all digital right here, which is awesome. So you've got your tach and you've got your a speedometer right there. Here is your main digital suite for your infotainment system. So you're gonna have your entertainment right here, your navigation right here. That's gonna come up. I just started, so at the top has to boot, which is awesome. Phone connectivity, vehicle information. All of this is touchscreen right here, which is awesome. You also have controls here on the steering wheel that you can change things. You can change the driving mode, sport, suspension. You can do all of these things. GT, comfort, and it also gives you information here, which is cool. Your climate control was controlled right here. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. I mean, that's awesome. You can change also with the seats. Got memory seats. There's so many different things that you can do with this. It's just really, really great. Ambient lighting. Not in this one, but in some of them probably. Here you can change fan speed, change the temperature. It's all super easy. Right there at the push of a button. Right here are your gears. So park, rear, 360 camera, backup camera, neutral, surround camera, drive, or manual. So it makes it super easy. I really like this a lot. And again, here you've got other controls over here that you can change as well. Adaptive cruise. Well, we probably have to be going to do it, but you'd have your adaptive cruise buttons here, your cruise control buttons here, information that you can scroll through the menu right here, including navigation. I mean, it's just so good. There's so many things that this just does, right? You've got recent calls, layout, heads-up display. So you've got the heads-up display there. A lot of different information here. Temperature, fuel, trip, computer, all kinds of different things. Your tire pressure probably there. Yes, of course, your tire pressure. So extremely functional, really cool. Heads-up display is on, okay. So I really like it. You can take your phone calls here, engine start, stop, drive mode here. A lot of technology. The best technology suite that I've seen from Maserati. And it's all right here, right within very quick. This also has gone digital. The clock that used to be analog has gone digital. So I really like that a lot. It's super nice. Part of the technology too is you can see here the Sonus Faber sound system. This sound system is incredible. It's very powerful. That of course is an option. Right here in the center console, you can see there's a space to heat and cool beverages as well. So that's also very nice. USB connectivity, wireless charging for your phone. So you have some nice, sort of amenities. Absolutely, in my opinion, class-leading technology. To me, the biggest deal is the massive leap of improvement for Maserati, because if you were a Maserati buyer or looking at Maserati, the leap in technology, I believe, is definitely something that's going to catch your eye, because this is something that takes a backseat to no other car manufacturer out there. You may like other systems, there's other great systems as well from other top manufacturers, but this now absolutely puts Maserati in the game, in my opinion, if not at the top of the competition for technology in a mid-size SUV. The third major reason I think this is going to be a real winner for Maserati is the performance. When people talk about Maserati, they think about performance, in my opinion, and this does not disappoint. The GT, which we have right here, starts at a blistering 5.6 second 0 to 60. That is better than the entry-level Porsche Macan, and it does so with a 4-cylinder engine with a mild hybrid system. Check it out right here. This is a turbo 4-cylinder engine. Look at that. That's awesome. Very clean, very nice. This has almost 300 horsepower and over 330 foot-pounds of torque. That produces, again, at 0 to 60 of 5.6 seconds, and that is faster than an entry-level Porsche Macan. So that's a big deal to get this kind of performance. That's also right in there with my Audi SQ5. So this entry-level GT is really fast. The next level up, the Maserati Grecale Modena, does so in 5.3 seconds, and the top-line Maserati Grecale Trofeo does so in the mid-3s. Super performance out of this line. So no doubt about it, in my opinion, the performance of this vehicle is also going to be a selling point for this vehicle, in my opinion. That's the third reason I think this is going to be a really big hit for Maserati. The fourth reason I think the Maserati Grecale is going to be a real winner for Maserati is the look. I mean, the Maserati has done a great job of making some beautiful, iconic vehicles, and they have definitely stepped up the game with the Maserati Grecale. Right against it, I have a Maserati Levante, and it's a beautiful vehicle. You can look at the lines and the detail and just how gorgeous this Maserati Grecale is. Okay, here, just check out the hood and the detail on it. Look at the lines and the depth. It's almost like a sculpture. It looks very much alive and very aggressive, very sleek, very elegant. Look at all these lines. It's super nice. Now compare that, we'll come back, compare that to the Levante. You have it here, you don't have the same level of depth. Yes, it looks very beautiful. Yes, it looks nice. But you can just see there's just extra dimensions to it, extra depth, extra sort of passion and emotion. I love the headlights too, the big LEDs. That's really cool. I like the grille a lot, and you can see it in here. It's just so nice. I think that's a big, big win for Maserati. The wheels look awesome. This takes it to a whole different level. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It looks athletic, classy, chic, elegant, and fast from every angle. I really, really like it. You can see just how much more details there are. The fifth reason I think this is going to be a big winner for Maserati is the fuel economy. It has a mild hybrid system with a 48-volt mild hybrid system and that 4-cylinder turbo. The fuel economy, according to Maserati, is supposed to be very solid on this. This is going to do 29 miles per gallon on the highway, 25 miles per gallon combined. That is very solid for this level of performance in this class. Does it have the fuel economy of a Tesla? Well, no, right? It's not a full electric vehicle, although they do have a full electric, full gore version of this coming out next year, I believe. But what it does do is it gives you fuel economy that is definitely comfortable and absolutely, again, as an SUV, a performance SUV, it's giving you fuel economy that is very impressive and isn't a negative. It now puts the fuel economy and the fuel efficiency into a positive category, in my opinion. So I think the fuel economy is definitely another winner for Maserati for this vehicle at the GT level and the full gore level. Obviously the Trofeo with that level of performance, that's different, but at the GT level and the full gore level, when the full electric, that's going to be a winner for Maserati. The sixth reason I think this is going to be such a winner for Maserati, and it sounds kind of simple, but it's absolutely on point in my opinion. This right now, most consumers, this is the hottest segment right now in the automotive world, the mid-size SUV. And this absolutely is right in that zone. It's the right size, it's the right space, this is what people are buying, so Maserati has a vehicle that plays right into that. The Levante is a little bit of a bigger mid-size SUV. This is right in that sweet spot of the Q5, the X5. This size vehicle is what everybody is trying to sell right now, and Maserati has a vehicle now for that segment, which is a huge segment of the marketplace. Okay, the seventh and last reason I think this is going to be a winner for Maserati is the price point. This is the most affordable Maserati out there. So think about that. That sounds like a small thing. That's a big thing, right? In my opinion. You have all 6 of those other factors: the interior space, the technology, the performance, the looks, the fuel economy at the most affordable price point for Maserati. You get all those benefits at the most affordable price point for Maserati. So now you can enjoy that Maserati branding, racing heritage with the best technology, with great fuel economy, and at an affordable price point. That's unbelievable. All those reasons I believe are going to combine to make this a very, very important vehicle for Maserati, and I think a very successful vehicle for Maserati. I'm very excited about it. Let me know what you think. Give me the comments below. Please subscribe. Please rate this video up. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification buttons. Very importantly, this video is sponsored by the Cavalli Auto Group. Please look at all the important disclaimers on the video description in YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. I'm John D. Villarreal. I'll see you next time.